All right, welcome to week 20, assignment 1. If you do not have the downloaded version of PowerPoint and you are using the online version. So if you go to the assignments, you will see that basically assignment 1, we are going to be going back to week 19, assignment 2, the PowerPoint that you did about the parts of speech, and we're going to go to PowerPoint Designer and make it a better PowerPoint. You're going to save it as Q3A2 Designer on your OneDrive, okay? So if you, one other thing I added, just so that you guys know, before I show you the actual PowerPoint, is if you go to the materials, I put something in here called Q3 assignment list, and it will list all of the assignments, names and numbers, and what it is. And I'm doing this so that when it's time for you to upload all your assignments to your Intro to Computer Apps folder on OneDrive, you'll know what assignments it is. I suggest you get really good at organization. It will make your life much, much, much easier. All right, so this assignment, if you go to your single sign-on, remember SSO stands for single sign-on, and click on Office 365. You can say yes or no, does not matter. Then you are going to go down here to PowerPoint. Oh no, okay, sorry, no. You're going to go to OneDrive because that's where your original one is. And you're going to go down to wherever it is. See, mine, Q2A1 speech. So this was my first one. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, it's got the 8 parts of speech. I have all my different slides. So what you're going to do is if you go to, all right, first of all, if yours looks like this and it's a really small menu bar, go down here to the up-down arrow, click the down arrow, and it will make it bigger. Makes it easier for what we're going to do. Then we're going to go over here to where it says design. This is called the design ribbon. And so on here, you could choose to design it this way, but what we're going to do for now is we're going to select designer. And when designer comes up, it's going to give you a bunch of different ideas of what it might look like if it was better. So you can select whichever one it is that you want, and you're going to do all of them. So you will do all of your slides, so you can see which one looks better. And you will do all of them, and then you will save it as Q3A2 and submit it. If you have any questions or problems, please don't hesitate to message me, and if not, I will see you guys soon.